Good morning, YouTube. How y'all doing today? So today's topic is strictly for the ladies, particularly women with a very pronounced and strong jawline. Now, within the community, a lot of the ladies they are ashamed or they get dysphoric about their jawline. It's totally understandable. I mean, typically, society deems strong jawlines as a very masculine feature. I disagree, and even if you look for it, the telltale signs, even society disagrees with it too. Um, there was this article I read when I was 18 years old. It was like 10 years ago, and it was called "Square Jaw Theory." Now, this article wasn't written by anybody who was a doctor in psychology or physiology or anything like that. It was just written by another guy who had a theory about this. And I read it. It had such an impact on me, and I was just like, wow, that's so true. Because if you think about it, some of the people who are deemed or women, I should say, who are deemed the most beautiful women in the world, all these girls, most of them have very pronounced, well-defined jawlines. You know, because a lot of people say, oh, the signs of feminine beauty is soft curves and soft featured face and whatnot. Maybe for some, but I think the majority, it's kind of weird because nobody's really came out and talked about it really. I mean, only a little bit, because, they say strong jawlines are masculine features, but I don't think it's really masculine or feminine. Anyways, I read this article because when I was younger, I was like 18 years old. I kind of got obsessed for me, like what makes somebody beautiful. Like I was obsessed with like what beauty was, you know. And when I read this article, I was just like a light bulb went off. I was like, wow, that is so true, Just to name off a few actresses. Jessica Biel, Megan Fox, of course Angelina Jolie. All these women that I just named have very pronounced and strong featured jawlines. So, and when I read this article in its entirety, and I agree with most of it. So a couple of other things I kind of disagree with a little bit. But for the majority of this article I read, I completely agree with it. And I guess what I'm trying to say is in this video is to the girls out there who are thinking of getting all this surgery done to their jaw, or they're going to shave it all down or whatnot. I would ask that maybe you should reconsider. I mean, I'm not here to try to talk anybody out. If it truly makes you feel dysphoric and you've talked it over with your doctor, your surgeon, then go for it. You're doing it for yourself. You're not really doing it for other people. But I would ask, just think deeply, like what is the reasoning behind why you may not like your strong jawline? And if the main reason is you think it's not beautiful, I'd ask you to reconsider and just do some research into it and look around. Open your eyes and look around on, the internet. Look at women with strong jawlines and famous models and actresses, and you'll notice that the majority of these women, hell, the majority of good-looking, beautiful people in general, they have pronounced jawlines, or they grow out facial hair to try and make their jawline look better. but no, because I know that's like a hot dysphoric point for a lot of women, And I've talked to some of these girls and whatnot. Like my ex, she had a very pronounced, strong jawline, and she hated it. And I was like, and she was gonna get it shaved down, all this other good stuff or whatnot eventually. But I told her I think it's absolutely beautiful. You know what I mean? And if you look, it's a sign of beauty. And some of the ladies, they get their jawline shaved down. They didn't even have to. And unfortunately, there's some girls who get it shaved down, and it actually makes them look less feminine or less beautiful, you know. I mean, they're usually still beautiful, but it's just it hurts their beauty because then it doesn't quite flow with the rest of their structuring of their face. You know, because all this obviously is all interconnected. You know, usually strong jawline usually means strong cheekbones, um, and so on and so forth. Which we all know, majority like high and wide cheekbones is a sign of beauty. Strong featured jawline, another sign of beauty. But yeah, I'm actually gonna post a link to this article down below. And I mean, again, it's not written by a professional. It's not written by somebody who's got any type of degree. Just some guy who noticed these things. And I read it when I was 18, when I was trying to figure things out. Like, what am I drawn to? What am I attracted to exactly? Yada yada yada. So, and I hope this video helps some of the ladies out there who have a strong, pronounced jawline, who are really really bothered by it. I hope this video helps you. I hope it helps bring some peace to you on the matter that strong jawline doesn't equal masculinity, doesn't equal unattractiveness. In most cases, I would say it's quite the opposite, actually. So it's kind of funny. Most of the girls that I go out with usually have a stronger jawline than me. It's kind of funny. But yeah. But yeah, I just want to make this video, and again, I hope it helps somebody come to terms, or at least kind of gets the ball rolling on coming to terms with, you know, your strong featured jawline. Yeah, but anyways, oh, quick note, I'm trying to get into TikTok now. I just released a video. This girl, Summer Luck, it's SummerLuk. She actually made a TikTok of my first video. This was almost, when was it, like back in January of 2021? So earlier this year. Anyways, I just made a duet video. I'm not real super familiar with all this social media terminology. You know, like I barely know the difference between a response YouTube video and a reaction YouTube video. But but anyways, she made a video on my first YouTube video, and like she told me all about it, and she told me right in the beginning. Like she contacted me, we had a discussion. We were gonna do a collaboration, but I think she's gonna do a different route. She's doing the TikTok thing. So I released a video today, just try it out. I don't know if I'm gonna continue on with it, but I think what I'm gonna do is every YouTube video I release, I'm gonna do a TikTok version for it. So I'm gonna do a TikTok version of this one. Yeah. So, and to follow me, the name is the same name as my YouTube channel, Librium Curitate, but the @ is Cdela93, CDELA93. I actually have two Instagrams, one for the YouTube channel and my personal. But people, for some reason, they typically find my personal Instagram a lot more easier. There ain't a whole lot on it. I don't really post a whole lot on other social medias. I mean, so pretty busy guy. I'm actually doing this video right now in between. It's break right now, and I'm gonna have to cut this here in a second because I gotta go check on the welders. But anyways, again, do not be ashamed of your strong featured jawline. If anything, it probably sets you above the rest of the general population in beauty standards. But that's how I view it, because I mean, I absolutely love and adore a woman with a strong jawline. Like, yeah. You know, people say they have a type. They like blondes, they like brunettes, they blue eyes, green eyes, brown eyes. You know, I'm the oddball guy over the corner. Like, I mean, yeah, she's got beautiful hair, but bro, like, look at her jawline, beautiful. I'm a different motherfucker. What can I say? But anyways, peace, y'all. Y'all have a good day. Bye.